This is our saggy ceiling fan in our porch. It has a ripped blade, and we're gonna turn it on. Three, two, one. Yeah, we're turning it on right now. Watch this. The blade's gonna fly off. I made a video doing this. See it. There went the blade. Oh, there went one blade. Ripped off. Hello guys, here's it's been a while from making a video of this last fan. Had the one ripped blade off, and now recently there's only two left. And it looks like the second one's gonna rip. So we're gonna turn it on 3, 2, 1. There it went. We got one more blade left. That's the third time it happened. I'll make part 3 of the ceiling fan's blade falling off. Hello guys, here's part 3 of the ceiling fan's blade flying off on camera. I did it like 2 or 3 years ago, and here's part 3 of it. Sorry it took a while, but I was doing stuff. Now here's part 3. You're gonna turn the fan on in 3, 2, 1. And I've been not messing with this thing either. It's been like this for a while. They went the blade. That's the 4th time it happened. Bye.